What's up, YouTube? Back at it again. Got a lot of stuff done today. Got two of my rocker toggle switches installed with all the wires mounted. One for my volt temperature meter gauge. I got the other one for, obviously you see my LED for inside the enclosure. Got some pictures posted up on my Facebook page. I'll have some up on the Instagram page as well. Just took the leather off and reinstalled some carpet. So gonna be doing some more stuff tomorrow. I'm gonna be doing the other three switches for the command center. One for the fans, one for the component amps, and the other one for the bass amps. And then that'll do it all for the command center, besides the two bass knobs. One for component, one for the subs. Other than that, be a little run through. Seven-inch touchscreen, HD, 1080p. This with the accessories on, resting. It's about 12.7, 12.8 clock. And the temperature's in Celsius, so I'll have to look at the manual to change it over to Fahrenheit. There's two of the switches. This one controls that. This other one controls inside the box. Other than that, it's coming along. So let's keep a lookout for those videos. More updates will be coming. So that's it for you. Peace.